In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect your DJI Mic Mini to your MacBook. Now, all you need to do is simply start by opening up your Bluetooth settings on your MacBook. So let's just go ahead and navigate to Bluetooth. And then from here, you're going to put your wireless mics in pairing mode. So just open up the case, remove at least the microphone or mics that you're going to use from the case, and then you're going to put it in pairing mode. Putting the mic in pairing mode is easy. You're just going to long press on this button for at least 2 seconds until the indicator light starts blinking blue-green. So let's just press. Then once it's in pairing mode, you should see it available in the list of nearby devices. So go ahead and just select connect. And then once it's been connected, you do want to ensure that the input is set to your wireless mics. So to do that, you're going to navigate to your sound settings on your MacBook. And then you're going to select input and you're going to ensure that DJI Mic Mini has been selected. From here, you can choose to increase or decrease the input volume. And now you can go ahead and test it out. You can see the voice is being registered successfully from the mics. So you've successfully connected your mics to your MacBook. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.